Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Ma'am Donna.
Okay, before you take your seats, could you please pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs and arrange your chairs? Okay, that's good. Please be seated.
Thank you, Ma'am Donna.
Okay, for this morning, we're going to have an attendance. Say present whose your name is called. Quickly Habla.
Present.
Lanjel. Present. Okay, I'm so happy that all of you are present for today. So how are you, class? Fine.
Fine.
You are?
Yes.
You're good. You're fine. How was your Christmas vacation?
Very
Happy.
happy.
Good. Mixed emotions.
Yes.
What did you do on Christmas Day? Wow. Okay, that's nice to hear. What about on New Year's Day or New Year's Eve? What fireworks? Yes. Okay, I'm so happy that you had fun during the Christmas vacation.
Yes.
New Year's vacation. Okay, for this morning, we're going to have a new lesson. Everybody read.
Greeting as literary selection.
One more time.
Greeting as literary selection.
How do you read that word? It's literary.
Literary.
Okay, very good. So we're going to talk about critic, a literary selection. That's correct. Now let's have this. Before we proceed with our lesson, we're going to have an activity. So it's called, what is the name of our activity?
Text puzzle challenge.
Okay, very good. So it's called Text Puzzle Challenge. So here is the instructions. Everybody read.
The class will be divided into 4 groups. Each group will read a short poem or paragraph that's scrambled. Students must arrange the lines to make sense.
Okay, so you will be divided into 4 groups. Later on, we will have a counting. Each group will read a short poem or paragraph, but scrambled. What do you mean by scrambled? Nagsabol-sabol, nag-mix, scrambled.
Yeah.
So all we have to do is to arrange. You have to rearrange the lines to make sense. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will have a counting. Let's start. 4 groups only. Let's start here. Okay. Okay, let's start here.
1.
4,
1.
2, 3, 1,
2.
3,
4.
3. Okay. So there will be 4 groups, right? So group 1 will be here, 2, 3, and 4. Master, go to your group name. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Master, where are your group mates? Where's group 1? 1, 2. Where is group 2?
We're now.
Group 2. 3. 4. Where's group 2? Go to your Okay. Please stand. Everybody stand. Where? And you form a line. Form a line. Look to here. 3 and 4. Okay, I will give you some stuff. Group 1, get 1. Group 1. Ay, kapagina, palpag siya. 4. Okay, and I want you to step backward. Faster. Dito, what's the sino sa mali class? Burnout. Gusto ka na doon. Because they okay, backward. Backward. Dana kang ano, dana ka ng gel. Anong forma na ng gel, dana. Hoy, backward.
Oh, Denise!
Okay, so diba na ay ako'y pakita later nga paragraphs or sentences rather. So all we have to do is to arrange. So you help one another. Is it clear?
Yes!
Okay, your time starts. Okay, the group that will be able to arrange the sentences first will be the winner.
Yeah.
Okay? Next. Okay, let's start. Here. Huh? Hala, tinabangay siguro. Tinabangay siguro. Yes. Ang kanin siya, di ba kay A, B, C, D, inyuhan na siyang i-rearrange kaya hindi na mao ang order. Faster! At the count of 5. Tinabanga siguro, no? 5. Ano kaya na tinabanga, leaders? Balik sa page. Leaders, tinabanga. Faster! Okay, 3, 2, 1, start! You write your answer. Only the letters. Faster! 1, 2, 3, and 4. What's your answer? Hindi na pinili sa answer, ah. Wait lang. Faster! Ay, ma'am, pwede ka din sa answer? Ay, ate, mali.
We're going na. Okay na, bawal na next time.
Go back to your seats. Abi mo pwede pa isa ng answer? Wala na dahil yung trial. It's not a shot. Hindi naman sa What's third one? Okay. Okay, class, what have you observed with activity that you had earlier? One. Isa man. Any idea? What have you observed with activity that you did earlier? Isa din natin yung activity. What have you observed? Isa din yung buhat. Panic. Panic? Panic ko. Yes, please stand. Okay, very good. So by doing this activity, you are thinking. What else? What else? What about the activity that you did? Gusto mo na lang? About sa okay. About sa yagi.
Missing words.
Key.
No, sentence.
Okay, could be. But the main point here, it's about the pattern. Structure, right? So what you did, you arranged the sentences correctly. Very good. Okay, because for this morning, once again, we will learn about critic a literary selection. So there are types of literary selection. So what are those? Can you read this one? Everybody read. It's
Structuralist, moralist, Marxist, feminist, historical, and reader response.
Okay, that's correct. So let's talk about structuralist. So again, these are the types of literary approaches or, yeah, that's right. It's called literary approaches. Again, what are these? These are, again, types of
Literary approach.
Okay, that's correct. So let's begin with structuralist. So what do you mean by structuralist? Everybody read.
Focus on the text itself, its structure, patterns, and literary devices. Critic by analyzing plots, symbols, motifs, tone, and presentation. Meaning comes from studying how the text is constructed.
Okay, so when I say structuralist class, it focuses on the text itself. So it focuses its structure. This just like what you did earlier, nag-focus mo sa structure. Kung ang grammatically correct ba na siya, so you do it, you correct it. If grammatically incorrect. Patterns. There will be patterns like first, second, third, and fourth, and so on. Next is literary devices. Again, who among you here are familiar with literary devices? Atong simile, metaphor, hyperbole, personification. Interpretation is different. Synoptically, synecdoche, metonymy, and so on. So those are what we call literary devices. Okay, so critic by analyzing the plot. So again, what is the plot? Is it the plot? It's the story. Exposition. Nakalimutan mo. Rising action. Climax.
Falling action, resolution.
Or what is the other word for resolution? Denoma. It's denoma, okay? And symbols. So here, class, in structuralist, you are going to think and analyze if the sentence has symbols. Relate ba na siya literally? Or, when I say literally, that is explicit. maybe if it's a garden wedding, you can have the motif will be sage green, like green ka, white, that is related to garden. Okay?
Yeah.
Nakasabot? Yes. What about tone? On how you read that one. That is the tone. And organization. So this is what we did earlier. In you have? You organize or arrange. The
Yeah.
other word for organize is arrange. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, meaning comes from studying how the text is constructed. That is structuralist. Nakasabot wala? Okay, so let's have the examples of structuralist. Everybody eyes on me. Ano sa manang sige sulat-sulat diyan? Okay, we have here examples. Who are here familiar? Who among you here familiar with Cinderella? Kita mo siguro tanan.
Yeah.
Except sa boys. Nakapanood
Yeah.
ng Cinderella boys? Ano Cinderella? Okay, Cinderella. What about Mulan? Yes. Okay, so let's have Cinderella. So what is the example of structuralist there? Everybody read. Cinderella follows the common fairy tale structure of an Okay, in Cinderella class, di ba kaya kabalo mata ng movie kay it's about a girl nga nasa may castle before. Nasa may castle, but namatay iya ha? Mother and followed by her father. So, before namatay ang iyang father, nakapangita o? Yes, that's correct, Zaire. Nakapangita siya o stepmother.
Kauban na si Ola.
Yan ay anak.
Kata yung kabayo na maragkan na.
Roden. Saan mo na to?
Kapag nakibog pa, Cinderella.
Elsa, siguro naman. It's different. Okay.
Ay, katutupan.
So before namatay yung father, nakakita niya siya og lahi babae. Okay, so mo na siya ang stepmom ni Cinderella.
Yes.
So as time goes by, namatay naman yung dad, yung papa, ang saman siya. Ang saman siya. Okay, she has two stepsisters.
Yes.
Abusahan siya, be abused.
Yes.
Anastasia. Okay, she has two stepsisters, Priscilla and Anastasia. So as time goes by, nung sa man, hinimo siya og slave. Sig bakid sa Bisaya pa. Tigilyon, igoto, tighugas, mga na siya. So in here, structuralist, it follows the common fairy tale structures. But kung magiging na ang kanang structures sa kanang fairy tale nga na ay ginaabusahan, na ay ginagdaog. Like here, oppressed hero. So kasabot na ni oppressed, gidaog-daog. So minsan na gidaog-daog sa Cinderella mga movie. Cinderella or Ella. Her nickname is Ella, right?
My name is Ella.
Magical help. What about magical help? Kasi nagtabang ng Cinderella. Okay, her fairy god. Mother. Very good. And after that, she had her happy ending. So
Yeah.
what about Mulan? Let's have Mulan. Gusto may structuralist, Ana. Gusto may point of view sa structuralist. Everybody read.
Mulan follows the hero's journey of leaving home, facing trials and achieving home.
Okay, gusto nakita Mulan here.
I didn't remember it.
Si Erika and who else? Si Erika, no?
Wala.
I don't remember.
Si
Wow.
Giselle.
SpongeBob.
Pag-surprise, so wala naman yung Yes! Nag-ship siya ba?
Maris ko pa
Wala. So overview, what is the story of Mulan? Minaw sabi. Mulan is the story based on China. Okay? So it's a Chinese movie or cartoons.
Ay, katong.
Stop talking. Isa man.
Kung mag-guitar na yung mga game, kapapitirin mo na rin.
Ha?
Oo, kapag muli ka yung kapapit. Hindi ako ito.
Ano? Okay na. Ang overview ni class, it's about Chinese historical. Before Mongol, same sa Korea karon nga ginabuhat, each family, especially lucky, kanang boys, you have or you are obliged to kanang mag-serve sa military. So nga na gyapon ang China before. So, ang atong mga lucky, mautos ang representative nga mag-undergo
As a
sa
soldier.
training as a soldier,
Yes.
practice, di ba? But in here sa Mulan, naluwi siya. Kaya no, bai sila. Nakalimot ko kung ano siya yung story.
Hello.
Ano sa kodeke? Morning Mulan! O, di ba? Siguro nakalimot ka sa story kanina. Ano sa may story na? So, ang iyang family kay, ang papa ka naluhin sa papa ka, tigulang mo na. Iyang mama side, tigulang mo na. Wala sila ay suon nga laki. Nakalimot ko, wala ko siya suon. Wala sa libaton. So, kanina sa, instead na iyang papa mo adto sa training, nalaman siya, na gusto buhat. What did she do? Very good. Nag-disguise siya as a man. Kumbaga, nagwan siya, as if siya malaki. So, yan, i-transform niya himself from feminine na babae to masculine. Very good. Nagsuot siya katong kuan, kaya siya kawan ng armor. Yes. Nagbutang na siya mustache. Siya tawag sa bangas diri?
Braids.
Mustache. How do you read this one? This one is beard.
Here.
Mustache. M-U-S-T.
Ay, mustache.
How do you spell mustache? M-U-S. Mamo, ano ron? Wala ko ba yun? Mustache. Mustache.
Ang English or
M-U-S-T-A-C-H.
H. Idayo.
Oh, mustache or bangas. This upper. Sabot? So, yan gibuhat. Napaasip siya malaki na disguise siya. Napunta siyang mustache. Yung hair, buusan. Nagibutangan niya something pang laki. And, yeah, face. Yeah. So, that is the point of view of structuralist. Kasabot? So, in here, stop talking. Mulan follows the hero's journey of leaving home. So, kato siya, si Mulan, nilakaw, niulit siya, nihawas sa balay without telling her parents. And then, facing trials, i-undergo siyang training, wala ka baro yung parents, sa balaka na. And after that, achieving honor. Okay? At the end, nakuha rin yung honor. So, let's have moralist. What do you mean by moralist? Everybody read. How do you read this word? Again, Okay, so what Okay, something that you can learn. Right or wrong. Very good. So, yeah, something like that. It focuses on the themes or the lesson of what is right or wrong. So, mga siyang moralist. The word itself, moral. It's about the lesson that we can get. Kasabot?
Yes!
So, balik na po sa Cinderella. Ang sama ng moralist ako. Everybody read. The story teaches
The kindness and patience are rewarded.
Okay, the story teaches that kindness and patience are
Rewarded.
Who's your favorite line in Cinderella?
Have snowman.
Have? Wala ka ba, no?
I
Ano
shall
yung
return.
favorite line?
I shall
Kasi
return.
istorya kung abuse siya sa iyong stepmom, stepsisters, and so on. Mercy?
I can win.
Ah, nag-start sa have.
Buenos dias.
Have?
A nice day.
Ma'am.
Have kindness and patience. Have kindness.
Ano kayo, may tanong mo grabe ka, di ba ba paminaw? Di ba sa She said her favorite line is have courage and be kind. Ano na yung minastorya always. Kung gina-abuse siya yung stepmom, nagsusuon siya, wala siya tig, ano rin siya, siya may pasensya. And she will always say, have courage and be kind. Kaya mo na dito ba sa mama. Okay? Nakasabot mo lang.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have the Mulan. What about Mulan?
The story teaches the value of courage and self-sacrifice.
Okay, Mulan teaches the value of courage. Although si Mulan pinhaglok siya pinakauna, still, same Mulan.
Style.
Wala siya lang topic ko, nanikamot gapon siya. And
It's a blessing for her.